Hi everyone, Lisa here. I have a new class ready for you. It's the Delightful Wishes class. I created this a while back and I just hadn't done it because I had other classes I wanted to do first. But as soon as I got my hands on this, I created this class. So we'll be using the Delightful Wishes bundle, which the stamp set and the dies. With the dies, you get to create all these pretty flowers. So let me tell you what's in this class. You'll get all of the elements to make these 4 cards. There's this one. And look at those cute little bead trinkets. There's this one. And so you build the flowers and the leaves. And then this pretty die cut. There is this one with some more bees. The inside. And then this one. And then you can die cut these, the words wishing. I think that one's just plain inside. And then this cute little box out of the designer series paper. So you're gonna get all the elements to make these 5 projects, a full pack of the Floral Delight designer series paper. This package is not open. A spool of the Daffodil Delight ribbon, and a package of those bead trinkets. They're so cute. You'll get the PDF tutorial instructions, which is right here. And then on the last page, so it has the step-by-step instructions for each project, but on the last page, I included this kind of a die cutting guide to show you how to create the projects, you know, like this is the flowers on the branch and then the flowers, so which dies you need and what it's going to cut out. And so this is really nice to have, but it's a die cutting guide for you, but I did include that in the PDF. And then you'll also get a gift from me. The gift is a surprise. I don't show you. You'll get it when you get your class kit. So for all of this, it's $57. You can add the Delightful Wishes bundle on, and I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up, and I'll add it to your class kit. And this bundle's $49.50. Registration will end on March 8th, and the kits will ship March 15th unless anything's back ordered. Then the kits might be delayed. If you have any questions, just let me know, but I will put the registration link below, or it'll actually be in the video as well. All right, everybody, take care. Bye.